Tensions between the United States and Iran have once again placed the Middle East under global scrutiny. Amid rising political and military escalation, attention is now focused on naval power, U.S. Navy carrier strike groups, and Iran's missile capabilities, which have been developed over many years as a primary deterrent. In recent weeks, the United States has increased its military presence in strategically vital waters, including the Persian Gulf and the Arabian Sea. Carrier strike groups have emerged as the central symbol of this policy.